Okay, you may be seeing these in different places called diffuser bombs. And this is just a really fun way to pre-combine your oils into your favorite diffusing scents. So you can always add drops of oil to your diffuser individually, but if there's a scent you really like I have been loving Thieves combined with orange and lime, it just smells like a fall candle. It smells so good. And so you can actually pre-make these in a bottle. You can get a bigger bottle depending upon how much you want to make. I just grabbed an empty 15 milliliter bottle. I used just a Dymo label maker to create, I just made a little label on the side that says fall. And you can, I'm not really gonna measure, I'm just gonna pour and eyeball it, but I'm just gonna kind of pour equal amounts into this bottle. Let me see what I got there. And then what's kind of nice is when the scents are, when your oils combine, they just kind of meld together a little bit better when you give them some time. And then you just buy glass droppers. You can get these off of Amazon. Put it in there. This is fall. So next time I go to fill my diffuser, I'm gonna fill it up and then just put this in my diffuser and I don't have to mix the scents. And what's really nice too is, you know how sometimes at the end of the day, there might be a little bit of water left in your diffuser, but the oil's already gone. You can just add a couple of drops from your mixture and you don't have to reopen all your bottles. And you can just use a little bit. Do you know what I'm saying? So anyways, I hope that was helpful. There's all kinds of recipes for some diffuser bombs. I will share some here too, so you have a few other recipes. I hope this was helpful.